Hi guys. Well,
You got that on video.
oh, I get that on video. Good morning, guys. We're off to do some backcountry skiing this morning. It's about 6 o'clock right now. So, getting ready. Gonna make some food. We're gonna head out. We'll see you on the trail. All right, guys, we're about a mile into our ski up Mt Cardigan. We just got to a brook crossing, so we got to take some skis off and get over this bridge and then continue up there. But it's going good. There's lots of powder, and it's a pretty good workout. We got, yeah, me too. We got a few more hours of this until we get to the summit. So we're gonna keep going and put our skis back on over the bridge. Okay, so we are skinning up, and we think we missed the trail. We went up the down trail, we think, and it's pretty difficult. So we're gonna turn around and we're gonna try to find the up trail. That'll be a heck of a lot easier. So we're gonna ski down this. We just climbed all the way up, but we're gonna ski down. There's a lot of powder, so it's gonna be fun. But I think we're gonna go down and try to go up an easier way, even though it's much more time. I think we're gonna do that. So we're gonna get our stuff on and we're gonna head down. All right, we made it onto the proper trail to head up, and we are going up it now. It's much easier. It's pretty steep still, but way easier than the down trail for sure. So it's getting cold. We just ate some food and threw back on our layers. Snow's starting up a little bit too. So, gonna watch the weather and the temperature. But right now, we're doing pretty good. And climbing up from here. summit. Almost there. The trees are changing and getting thinner. And right up there, you can see it. There's much less of them. So we're gonna get out into the alpine zone, and then we got the ski down. We're getting towards the top. It's intersecting back with the original trail we were climbing, and this is it, right here. So we are getting close. Now we just got to keep climbing to the top. It's supposed to be much narrower towards the top, and it'll widen out as we get down, but it's really beautiful here. It is great. On the final push, we are nearing the top, and these views are not bad. We got a steep, really fun, just covered in powder run that we're gonna take down here, but we're heading up there. Whew. See the top. Hey guys, we made it to the top. It's cold and it was steep, that last part, but it is really beautiful here. There's the fire tower right there, and we're gonna try to transition and ski down, take our skins off and put our helmets on and stuff. But this is great. It is not windy.
No.
And yeah, we thought it'd be a lot more windy than it is, which is great because it's not nearly as cold. So we're gonna go that way and ski down. Oh, that was good. Oh man, came this so close.
Oh no! Oh no. Are you? We did it.
We did it. We're done. Back at the car. Whew. It was a long one. It was not really. It was like 5.5 miles round trip.
Yeah.
It was fun. It was a good one.
How long do you think it took us?
I don't know. I can look. We were tracking it, so we can go look and see.
It was super fun.
It's so fun.
And very rewarding.
Yeah, for sure.
Very rewarding.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're gonna go in that lodge now, and I think we're gonna get a cup of soup because they're advertising soup for skiers,
Cup of hot soup?
which we like.
I'm down.
All right.
Okay.
So that's where we're gonna go and warm up because it's cold.
Yeah. Yeah. The hands are a little bit cold.
Yeah, chilly. Really chilly. We're on the prowl for hot soup.
We sure are.
We're gonna go see if they got it.
Uh-huh.
That would be nice.
This is a nice, cute little lodge.
It is nice. Yeah, it's great.
It's warm, which is
That's all that matters.
nice.
Got our soup. It's gonna be good. This place is so cool.
So sweet.
But we got the last bit. I need it.
It's so good.
It's so warm. All right, we are driving home now. We just ate some dinner, got some Chipotle. It was really good.
It was really
Really
good.
needed a good refuel. But I think we're gonna end this video here. It was super fun to go do Mount Cardigan today. Super good views at the top. Weather was really great. And perfect weather. No wind. Very, very little wind. And at the top, it was cold, but you could see everything. There weren't clouds everywhere. So it was an overall really good tour. Lots of good snow. And so it was really fun. We really enjoyed it.
So fun.
Yeah,
It was
so fun.
beyond what I even expected. I expected it to be great, but it was
Yeah.
so fun. It was
Yeah.
so fun.
It was so fun. So we're definitely gonna go. We're definitely gonna do it again and find some more mountains. But we hope you enjoy, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.